this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, and I am using one of the balloons cut file that she had during the birthday hop, which was in March of this year. And so I am doing that as one of my birthday layouts for my daughter. Now, I am so sorry. I am working on trying to get my filming back to normal again because obviously my screen is still not fixed. And yeah, this is what we get to deal with for right now. But ultimately, I started to fiddle with it, and I think I got it better in like when I stopped filming because I just was getting irritated, and then came back, and it should be a lot better as of like when I looked at it before I started this voiceover. Now, what I am using here is the Amy Tan's watercolor kit, and I absolutely love it. However, I will tell you that the white in this, I got to figure out how to use these more. It didn't really show. You kind of saw it, but you kind of didn't see it towards the end. So I had to go back in with some gold shimmers, which is fine too because I absolutely love that as well, and do that part. Now I am just blow drying this all up to make it look behind it. And what I did is that with the cut file in the design space, and I know for the Cricut and for the silhouette, you can like reverse the cut file, like mirror it differently, and that's all I did. Literally, I didn't do anything special other than I mirrored it the other direction, just because I wanted to place it on this side because of where the white space of my photos for my daughter. Now, this is my daughter's 8th birthday. She's turning 9 in August here, and like I said, I've always been caught up. I'm always only at like a year behind on like their everyday moments type stuff. So this is kind of a different type of birthday for her because we only had one friend, and that was our next door neighbor at the time because of the craziness of, you know, this happened during COVID. So, obviously I am just backing and doing my thing. And I have a question for you guys. I don't know if you guys follow like podcasts or any of that kind of stuff. And I've been really intrigued in the Clubhouse on, it's like where you just go on and speak and talk, and a couple ladies do it, and I absolutely love that. I get a lot of information from them, and it's very interesting to hear from them. So I'm just curious, do you guys listen to like podcasts or any of that stuff? And if you do, link it down below, especially if it's like scrapbooking related. That would be awesome because I do love listening to it while I'm scrapbooking. Call me nerdy, but I love it. So somebody happened to tell me on there that my signature is my layering, and after she said it, I was like, you know what? I think so. So here is my beloved editing of my layering. Excuse me. I did a bunch of layering, figured it all out, tried to figure out what colors I wanted, and this is my daughter jumping up and down that it's her birthday. And yeah, I just love it. There. See, I told you I fixed it a little bit better so you can see more of it. Obviously, I'm still trying to fix my screen, so things are a little crazy and wonky right now. So just bear with me. But obviously, you guys can still see it. It's not like it's crazy. So yeah. Let's see here. I am just going through everything and making it stick out. I wanted to add these little houses because these houses are signifying that it was a different COVID situation. I wanted to like, because we didn't go anywhere, and I didn't really have that many people over. I mean, we just celebrated it next door. A friend of mine, the little girl that lives right next to us came over and hung out in our yard and in their yard. And then we had birthday cake and they had some cake. And then that was kind of her birthday. It's very different than what we used to do in the past. I always cook and everybody always enjoys having Josh and I cook and do all that stuff, because I'm not saying he's a grill master, but we do enjoy his grilling, and obviously I grill too, so we always grill together. And I always do all the like inside cooking, like the salads and all of that stuff. And that's kind of how we always do our birthdays. But for this birthday, it was very quiet, and I had no issue with that. I was completely fine and content with the quietness, to be honest. It made me really grounded, way more than I ever expected throughout this whole process of the craziness of, COVID and all that. So I'm just going through. This collection is the Oh Happy Day. I got a collection from Erica Creates, and I did one of her classes, and she made me dig this back out because she gave us a bunch of papers, like literally the whole collection all over again. And I was like, ooh, I still have some of this. So it made me want to get this back out because it's so pretty and gorgeous, and it doesn't scream birthday, but it screams like a best day or your dreams or something like that. So I absolutely love this collection. I've used it plenty of times, and I'm just going to keep using it until it's like gone. Now, I hope and pray that I don't have another collection or another class that uses this, because I'm really, I'm got 3 of this sets at this point. I need to like use it up and not keep getting more. So, but I'm just going through all of the, I want to use, there's a certain small size of enamel dots that I'm using on this one to place all over, and then I get out the gold shimmers, and then that's about it. Make sure that you go check out Virginia, the group, all of that stuff. There is a free cut file for the month. She is doing tons of hand stitching, and let me tell you, my next layout for her is hand stitching. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet or which one I want to use, but she released a ton of hand stitching cut files, and let me tell you, hers are super easy, super easy to stitch. They're not complicated at all. So if you're wanting to do a new thing, but an easier thing to do, hand stitching, it is on her cut files, because they are not hard at all. So that's the next one you're going to see come up on my page or on my channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel and you found me, welcome. It's free. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and that like button, and it lets me know that you love this. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I know that I will be getting furthermore into scrapbooking, because ultimately the summer is my favorite time, because I am off from school. Well, I did kind of sign up for summer school, but that's easy peasy lemon squeezy. But ultimately I just love everything about scrapbooking. Cut files, you name it, all of it's there. It's like my happy place. So I'm rounding out with the blings. It's the gold glimmers. I absolutely positively love this one. I am not a gold person, but this one I will use because it gives you really good fake enamel dots if you need them, but then you can also water it down and get some really good splatters. And that's what you will see. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!